Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Aaliyah.
How old are you?
5,
Where we at right now?
Blackwood.
We out here walking in the woods. My daughter, she just want to stay beside me. She want to make sure I walk back here safely. She's scared of the woods a little bit. The rest of them, they already up here ahead. This is called a nature center. So we're going inside the nature center.
And you're gonna see snakes too.
Snakes. And what else is in here?
Turtles.
Turtles and what else?
Um,
Is it a deer head in here?
yeah. A deer and a cat.
Leah, what you looking at? Ayana, what you looking at in here? Turtles?
Turtles. Aaliyah.
Shh. The turtles. I like bringing my kids here because they like, this was supposed to be in here. A snake, y'all. This is the nature center. In here is a black lizard in here. I don't know. We can't see it. I don't know which one is in, but look, y'all. This is real deer things. This is real stuff. This is real, like, fur. Look, y'all. That's a real turtle shell and an eagle feather. Everybody can tell me what this is. And it's real. It's real. Yeah. That's what, Ayana? You gonna touch it? No.
Let me see.
Elijah, put that turtle thing off your head. That's my son, Elijah. That's my daughter. That's my other daughter. What is your problem? It was an accident. Say you sorry, Elijah. You know what that is?
What?
A skull. Put it back. Put it back up there.
This is a real life bone.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa, I'm not touching that. That's real.
It's real. It's all real. It's dead. It's not gonna come alive. Who gonna touch it?
Me? I'm gonna touch it.
No, don't pick it up. Elijah Wine. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Put that feather back. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. This is a cocoon, a real cocoon. These are deer heads. Remember I asked my daughter, was it deer heads in here? Yeah, these are real deer heads. We live in Columbus, Ohio, so you see a lot of deers. What y'all think about this right here? Look at that. That's a real bird in his mouth.
How did you do that? It was amazing. You did that like all by yourself.
Yeah. Crazy, ain't it? Yeah. No, get that out your mouth. And they coloring. They got like a little coloring table back here for the kids. Kids do story time. This the move for today. Let's see if we see the turtle. Oh yeah, there we go. Over here in the corner. That's the turtle, y'all. Look at this, y'all.
honestly will get in, and I want to.
Look, the turtle, he just having fun. He just swimming. Just swimming. Ain't that cool? That's cool, right, y'all? That is so cool. And then out here, it's like red birds. You see the red bird? That's a red bird. The squirrels. This is where everything be at out here. They got a lot of different birds and stuff out here.
Raccoon!
It's a squirrel, red bird.
It's like 4 of them out there.
Yes.
Oh, what is that bluebird's name? What is
The bird just flew up there. Y'all, we came out here before and it was deers sitting out here, y'all. It was so nice.
Mom,
What?
can I take a picture of it?
Take a picture of what?
Can I take a picture of it?
In a second. Hold on, I'm recording. Yeah, y'all. So, that's what we out here doing. I guess you can call this a nature trip. Alright, y'all. We out.